Guys, here are 3 chess tips for beginners. Number 1. Develop your minor pieces first before the major ones, which are the queen, rooks. Oh yeah. 3 chess tips you need to. Number 1. Chess tips you need to know. Number 1. Make sure that you develop your minor pieces first, which are your horses, the bishops, the pawns, and your king. I mean, maybe not the king. And secondly, when you're out of minor pieces to develop, you have no choice but to develop the major pieces, which is the queen and your 2 rooks. Number 2. Make sure to be careful of your moves, because sometimes it could be touch move. For example, and you can't just do that because it's already a touch move. When you let go of it, it needs to be there. No regrets. Number 3. Make sure that you pass it like this. On the king side, you put your king on letter G, and then the rook to letter F. There, your king is secured. Last tip. Don't forget to watch chess videos so you could get better like me. I'm ELO 5800. ELO means how good you are in chess.